Ever wondered if you can turn a simple motor into a power generating machine? In this video, we are transforming this motor into a working generator. No expensive tools, just science and a bit of magic. To convert a motor into a generator, step by step guide. The definition of a motor. A motor is a device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It works based on the interaction between the magnetic field and current carrying conductors to produce force and motion. Definition of a generator. A generator is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. It operates on the principle of electromagnetic induction, where a conductor moving through a magnetic field induces an electric current. So, the motor and generator are both electromagnetic devices that convert energy from one form to another, but in opposite directions. Here's a breakdown of their key characteristics. Sub-motors, DC motor and AC motor. And further, AC motor has two divisions, one induction motor and two synchronous motor. Types of generators, DC generator and AC generator or alternator. Main components of a motor. Stator, it is the stationary part which contains coils or magnets. Rotor, it is the rotating part. Commutator, it is in DC motors and brushes. In some types of motors contains brushes. Main components of a generator. One stator, rotor, shape links for AC generator and commutator for DC generator and brushes. Characteristics of a motor requires electric input to operate, produces torque and rotational motion. Efficiency can vary based on load and design. Uh, can be reversed act as a generator, widely used in fans, pumps, electric vehicles, etc. Characteristics of a generator reduces mechanical input from turbines, engines, etc. Produces electrical output, AC or DC. Output depends on speed of rotation and armature and in magnetic field strength. Uh, Efficiency is typically high, but depends on loads and losses. Uses in power generation like wind turbines, backup systems, etc. Working principle of a motor. A motor works on the principle of Lorentz force electromagnetism. Explanation: when an electric current passes through a conductor placed in a magnetic field, the conductor experiences a force. This force is the armature rotation. It is based on lanes based on Florence left hand rule. Working principle of a generator. Principle. Generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Expansion. When a conductor moves through a magnetic field, it cuts through the magnetic line of force, including an electric current. In this here Faraday's law, converting a motor circuit into a generator circuit is possible because most motors and generators operate on the same basic principle, the electromagnetic induction. Here's how you can do it. depending on the types of motors. How to convert DC motor to DC generator? Simply rotate its shaft of the motor using an external force, external mechanical force like hard chunk or wind turbine or water wheel, etc. Output, the motor will start to produce voltage uh, at the treadmill at the treadmills. How to how to convert AC motor to AC generator? This depends on whether the AC motor is synchronous or induction motor. A synchronous motor provides mechanical rotation, so it will generate the AC voltage. For induction motor, rotate shaft faster than its synchronous speed. Then it can generate uh, power. Circuit modification general tips at rectifiers if you need DC from an AC motor or generator, at regulator if the load requires stable voltage. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. Stay curious, stay powered. See you in our next video or next topic with the electricity connections.